The straps are adjustable. You seldom see tote bag that has adjustable straps. There. Now we're going.
Barangnya sejujurnya aku belum unboxing sama sekali, jadi aku mau unboxing barang sama kalian. Dan ini barangnya baru sampai setelah aku PO kurang lebih 2 bulan. Wow, bener-bener deh aku, karena aku suka banget sama tas ini. Yuk kita langsung unboxing aja. Ini dia, aku juga agak deg-degan ya, sejujurnya aku belum unboxing nih. Ini paketnya baru banget sampai. Wow, semoga bagus ya, karena aku gemoy banget. Aku tuh udah ngincer tas ini tuh udah lama. Dari awal ini keluar tuh aku udah suka banget, tapi sayang harganya belum masuk budget aku. Jadi aku tunggu dulu ya sampai dia sale. Dan ternyata aku suka banget. Detailsnya ya ampun, semuanya dong masih rapi. Dan ini aku PO ya. Ya ampun, gemes banget sih. Aku suka banget dong. Nih ada cukup luas. Di sini handphone sih harusnya masuk ya. Dan juga di bagian bawah ini ada fitnya. Nah ini fit itu gunanya untuk melindungi tas kita. Dia ngelindungi tas kita dari kotoran atau goresan-goresan, jadi nggak langsung kena tas. And for your info guys, untuk bahan pebble dari ini bahan yang menurut aku selotip-selotipin gitu kan. Oke, jadi kita buka kayak jadi dalamnya kayak gini. Cicang, jadi ada kantongnya lagi, tulisannya micro course. Biasanya kan kalau tas-tas pembungkus gini kan biasa ada bulu-bulunya gitu kan. Ini enggak tuh. Di gini-gini pun tuh enggak ada bulunya keluar gitu kan. Jadi well, ini udah didesain bagus banget ketika ada orang yang mau membeli tas micro course gitu. Kayak gini dia guys. Cicang. Cicang. Oke, dan ini dia tas yang gue beli. Dan gimana menurut kalian guys? Ini cocok nggak?
Hey, here. I'm not a good cutter person. Okay. So I'm gonna paint it so you guys can see what I see. as it unfolds. So here's like the UPS. Let's move this stuff here out. Let's just say thank you card, that kind of thing. Y'all, yeah, let's see how to rip this baby open. So like Christmas morning or something. Okay. And then all the like, you can't probably see it on camera, but the paper's got like little, no, that was the fun part I should see. So where's my knife? Here's my knife. Gotta cut some plastic here. This is so exciting. I feel so silly doing this, y'all. I've never done like an unboxing. Like I've done unboxings before, like books and stuff, but nothing like, you know, nothing like this. And I feel like I'm trying to race to do this for some reason, and it's not a race. Although I do have somewhere to go here in a little bit. Get off me. Let's see. Get some tape around that buckle. I'll try to get off. Not tape, but paper. It's paper stuck. Stuck up in there. Maybe I can bend it down. I'm gonna try to get it all off here, because I know y'all want to see everything. I'm gonna have to go back probably and there's some like extra packing. Lots of packing. Good Lord. Lots of packing. Gotta take off the, what do you call it? The thing off the zipper pulls stuff. And I think I need this again. I think it helps when I cut it. Make the styrofoamy kind of stuff come off. Like I said, I've never bought a purse like this and had to do all this stuff before, so, I mean, I'm not that great at it. Oh, my shirt's falling off. That wouldn't be a good idea. I think I have to go back around this other side where the other strap is to get some of this stuff off. They got it really on there good, y'all. Yeah, because I've seen it. There's a text. It's probably my husband saying, come to my job. I got my check. Because it's Friday. I was supposed to get this like 2 days ago, I think. And then they said it probably wouldn't be here till tomorrow. And then I checked the tracking on it and it said it was going to be here today. I was like, praise the Lord. It's here today. Come on, thing. Let go. Okay, thank you. I've got all this paper stuck in there. And then I think the only thing I didn't take off was the little MK, the gold thing up here in the front. This is supposed to be the medium size. And there's a couple of reviews online of this. There's like a little thing here that makes, well, I don't know what the thing, but okay. So I'm gonna angle the camera down. So anyway, and then also on the bottom it has feet, so you can kind of see, and then you can also see all the MKs. Some of them have his name, Michael Kors.
Back in the plastic. We tear it apart. I'm gonna tell you the reason why I got this bag, okay? So this bag that I got from Michael Kors, this bag is called, oh, she's cute, look. There she is, I just got her out of the plastic. So this bag, right over here, is called the Macy's Large Pebbled Bag, okay? So every now and then I get like an email, okay, online, and it was on sale, and I got it on sale. It was 100%, almost like $800, $700 something dollars. And to show you guys I'm not lying, bags are so overpriced, but spend $800. Is I shop smart, okay? Let's get this. So I got this bag because I want a real leather bag. Like a lot of the bags that I have is not like real leather. They're like pleather or something, you know what I mean? And this is like real leather. This is real leather. It's gonna last me a long time, you know?
So this is the Michael Kors Voyager Tote Shopper. I think this is medium size. So it's not, I thought it would be big, but it's not so big, so which is good. So it takes, so I'll just open it. So they wrap it like this. Let's remove it. So I got this in Zalando. So it was in a box. And yeah, they provide papers like this. I don't know if you see that good. So it's like that. So they provide the paper like this. So I'll just remove that. So this is the detail. So it says this is leather and inside is textile. So they really wrap everything good. So it's remove it like that. Because I'm already planning to pack today and prepare what I'm going to bring. So I just want to show everyone if they plan to buy this, how it looks, if they would really want it, because I don't think I found videos about this. So like that. Everything, all the corners, they really make sure it's protected, which is good. And it's quite a heavy, it's good. So it has like gold details like this.
So this is how it comes, like looking brand new. I see that little tassel right there, the MK. If you're interested in this bag and you're like, oh my gosh, I really love it, get it on Amazon. It was cheaper. But anyways, about the colorway, I was looking at the taupe colorway, and I'll insert a picture, but I was like, it's silver hardware. And if you know me, like, I am a black and gold kind of girl. Like, I hate, like, during that time, like, everyone to guess what I want the Saint Laurent one, but this one here is, like, good enough for me. So the reason I didn't get the Savannah bag, I'm gonna give you guys, like, some detailed tricks. Like, this is like a trick that I always do. Notice, so the Savannah bag has like gold hardware like built into it. It's got that like square thing, and I'll insert a picture so you can see it. But what makes a bag or anything kind of more minimalistic is the details, I think, between two different things. So the detail of this bag, you don't have any hardware. That is so seamless, and for me, like, that's everything that I want. It's just so cute, you know? Okay, I'm just gonna take out like the paper in here. There's like a ton of paper. So this is the paper that came in it, and I have a blank piece of paper. I have a blank piece of paper with me. So this is the
racing green. Yep. Racing green. I don't know if I think it's my second green bag. I'm really not fan of green, but when I saw this online,